Katie, what are we doing?
We are skydiving.
Jumping out of airplanes with total strangers.
Yep.
You trust me to throw you out even though we just met?
I do.
You're crazy. This was your idea?
Yep.
Your fault if this goes wrong?
Yep.
You celebrating anything or just checking this off the list today?
Just checking off the list.
If we don't make it to your next birthday, any last words, final comments, or confessions?
God is good.
For me, it's always the same. Take the computer, the tablet, and the phone. Please burn all that stuff, bury it in the desert. My wife can have everything else. Let's go rock and sky and have some fun. Here we go. Woo! Here we go. You ready for this, Katie? Let's get in, get up, get out of this airplane, go have some fun in the sky.
Yeah.
Here we go. Here we go. On the runway. Pull this right one down. Look at the camera. Smile. Yeah. Woo. Hands all the way up. Want to turn again? Yeah. Pull the left one down. All the way down. Yeah. Woo. Good job. Turn again. 180 back to the right. There you go. All right, we made it back, Katie. What do you think of that?
Amazing.
You gonna do that again?
Can we do it again?
Yeah, $225. You can go again today. Come out, see me again. I'll let you open the parachute. You just gotta pull the golf ball out. Ooh. What was your favorite part?
Honestly, the parachute part where it's just like relaxing, it's very
nice,
chill,
calm,
but also
relaxing.
like the thrill of just jumping first. I don't know,
She had a good time.
Thanks.
You did great.
Appreciate
Skydive
it.
Colorado Springs. Thank you for coming out to see me. Woo! This could be you.